got a little bit of mess, but it is relatively clean. Hi guys, and welcome back. I think today we're going to finish out the dash. The back portion, got a little spot we need to cut and fill. And I bought a new wire wheel brush. So we're going to put that in that little grinder and really get down in there kind of aggressive to see, make sure nothing else busts loose. And then once we do that, we'll come back and clean it off and clean this off again. And then we'll spray it with some of that Rust Reformer Black, as well as spray this top area here only with it. So we still got to grind down in here, get that clean and front face and everything else. May go over a little bit in here. I don't know if you see that spot back in there. Kind of grind that a little bit, make sure there's no holes. And I'm going to use my old wire wheel and see if that takes off this fabric, like padding, soundproofing up there. If it will, we'll try to get all that as much as we can out, and try to paint up in there too. But anyways, I'll start by getting this little piece here, getting it taken care of, and then we'll move on to grinding, cleaning, and painting. And hopefully we can put the dash in here next video or so, and move on, get these off, ground back down, and let's get ready to try the door pillars again. Anyways, let's get to work. It don't look too bad through here, but yeah, this turned out not to be too bad. Did the best I could to get stuff out, but nothing else blew through, which is kind of surprising. So we'll just turn our attention from this channel to this side, and we'll start trying to get that rust. Switch this out, try to get rid of that soundproofing. We have a little bit of work to do. I don't know if you can tell, right there. Ooh, right there. We gotta get that ground down flat and make it look better. But let's start on this and see if we can't get this to be ready to paint soon. Got a little bit of mess, but it is relatively clean. I think it's clean enough for me. I gotta check that spot right there. We can tell. Turn that down a little bit. Oh, could be on the underside of that. Anyways, next time we're gonna get to painting. We're gonna check a few spots underneath here. What this is, I got my mouth. And hopefully we'll be able to clean and paint. I'm gonna spend some time cleaning up. Didn't get to paint the dash yet. Do that next time for sure. And we'll get this dash buttoned up. But I think, yeah, I need to check underneath, especially right through here. That sounds pretty thin. It's on that. So we'll do that and paint. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Got a little bit done. Might have some more issues up underneath the dash. The thing I'm sad about is got a lot of weld burns on the GoPro's screen. I'm not sure if it comes through or not, so I might get a new face for it. But anyways, made a mess, you can tell, but covered and whatever that stuff is. But like I said, next time we'll check underneath the dash, the channel. Hopefully we'll paint the dash flange thing and the dash, get that ready to put back in, and had to address that spot there underneath before we kind of burned through a lot. Need to make that look better, and hopefully we can move on from all this. But anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.